Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly add a device brand in BytePhase CRM. There are actually two simple ways to do it. Let's get started. From your CRM, click on the Job tab in the left sidebar. Then go to Job Settings and select the Brands tab to view existing device brands. Click the plus button to add a new device brand. Enter the brand name like Samsung or HP, then hit Save. That's it. Alternatively, while creating a job, go to the Device Information section. Click the plus button next to the device brand field. Type in the new brand name and click Save. It gets added instantly. And that's how to add device brands in BytePhase CRM, simple and seamless. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more CRM tips and tutorials. Got questions or want a tutorial on another feature? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.